Welcome, my friends. Today I turn this 50mm lens into a 150mm lens. Oh yes, it can be done. Before I show you how I turn my 50mm Sony lens into a 150mm Sony lens, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can learn more about sports photography. Now, how am I going to take this 50mm lens and turn it into a 150mm zoom lens? Well, it's a Sony camera, and I believe it's magic or sorcery, or maybe they sold their souls to the devil. Actually, it's something pretty simple. It's a digital signal processing that they call Clear Image Zoom. Let's read what they say about it. We're going to go to the second paragraph when it talks about zoomed images are captured close to the original quality. When shooting a still picture, the camera first zooms to the maximum optical magnification, then uses Clear Image Zoom technology to enlarge the image an additional 2 times. 2 times. So that means this 50mm is now a 100mm lens. I know, that's short of 150. This is a crop sensor. 100 times 1.5 gives you 150mm. Let's see what else they have to say. So it produces sharp, clear images despite the increased zoom ratio. Personally, I don't care how they do it. Some electronic voodoo or maybe Harry Potter magic. I don't care. I want to know what the images look like utilizing this Clear Image Zoom. And you guys know me. I've got some photos to show you. At first, photos of the scoreboard. How exciting can this be, right? Everything is clear. That's what I want to see, but that's a scoreboard. How does it look when you have actual athletes in the photo? All right, so we're going to compare those 2 photos. Pretty good. Still looks really good. I am impressed with the zoom. I'm 3 feet off to the side underneath the basket, and the zoom is pretty darn good. One more. Let's get something a little bit closer here, shall we? This gives you a much better idea of what it actually looks like, because this is what you'd really be using it for. I'm not too far away from the players. The Clear Image Zoom photo looks pretty darn clear. I am impressed with the Sony wizardry. Let's see what it actually looks like just by itself. All right, let's get rid of all this stuff. And there you go. And all these photos are straight out of the camera, JPEGs. So all you JPEG police out there, leave me some comments, all right? The photos are a lot better than I thought they were going to look. I thought they were going to be a little blurry, maybe a little fringing around the edges, something like that. The question is though, would you use this in a real life situation shooting sports photography? The answer is no. Don't use it, don't consider it, don't even think about it. Put it out of your mind. Once this video is done, just burn the video and don't ever watch it again, because you're not going to want to use this. The reason I say that, okay, maybe if it's a static image, nobody's moving, kind of like the ones I showed you, you might want to do that. But here's the problem you get. First, once you enable it, you have to assign a function key for it, C1 or C2, whichever one you like. Once you do that, then you have to push the button, and then you have to go up here to zoom in or to zoom back out. Can't you just imagine a guard coming down the court and you all say, well, wait, give me a second. I got to zoom out. Wait, I'm zooming in too far. Let me zoom back out, okay? Then you have to zoom it back out. It's just not practical for sports photographers. Again, if you're doing some type of static shot where nobody's moving around and you don't have to adjust it and you can just kind of take your time, it'll work out okay. But in a real life situation, trust me, I tried it. It's not going to work. If you're interested in the sports settings I use when I'm utilizing the Sony a6100, you can check out this video, which will guide you through that step by step. Or if you want to learn about positioning when shooting basketball, check out this video here. Once you're all done watching videos, don't forget and grab your cameras and get out and shoot.